Hello, hi. I've got a Mitsubishi Galant 2001 model, and similar to many other Diamond Star cars like the Sebring, Galant, and the Avenger two-door coupe, and my cigarette lighter wouldn't work. The power outlet wouldn't work. I had it connected to the ashtray, which is one of these connections here, and it wouldn't work. So I disconnected the ashtray. I measured the volts, and it came up to around 12 volts with a voltmeter. And so now I've got power to my cigarette power outlet now. And I stumbled onto this, wasn't looking. So anyway, let's put this on. Yep, we have power. So that's the quick way to do it. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.